Welcome to Tips on How to Make the Most of a Virtual College Fair for Counselors and their Students. My name is Susan Makowski, and I am the Director of Undergraduate and Transfer Admission at Rider University in New Jersey. I'm also a proud NACAC member and the chair of the Northern New Jersey National College Fair, as well as a former member of NACAC's National College Fair Committee, and I'm thrilled to be able to offer you this session today. NACAC is not new to providing excellent resources for students and counselors through their National College Fair program. In fact, they've been in the college fair business since 1972. However, this year, with the challenging times we are all facing, NACAC will be providing virtual college fairs to our students. This fall, NACAC will provide 4 virtual college fairs. There will be a robust mix of approximately 600 colleges from across the country and around the world in attendance at each fair. In preparation before the fair, I recommend the following: that students sign up in advance at virtualcollegefairs.org. The registration information they provide will be shared with the colleges that they participate with during the fair. I recommend that registration information be completed thoroughly, appropriately, and professionally. They should start on a great first impression with the colleges so that together we can build a wonderful relationship through the college search process. I also recommend that they mark their calendars so they don't miss out on these outstanding opportunities, and that they set aside quality time to participate in the fair. There are so many opportunities that the colleges will be providing during the fair that I would hate for a student to feel rushed. So they may want to set aside more time than they anticipate they will need so that they can take full advantage of all that the fair will offer. And they may want to invite their family to assist in the college fair process so that they can divide and conquer and talk with as many schools as possible. They should also do their homework. There will be a list of the colleges participating in each fair in advance of the fair that students can start to use as a game plan for who they want to connect with during the fair on that day. Now, during the fair, I recommend that students get their tech ready to go. They will be able to log in to virtualcollegefairs.org to participate in the fairs through their computers or their phone. I do recommend that they have both charged and ready to go so they can take full advantage of all that the fair offers. Now, each school will have many ways that students can connect with them on the day of the fair. So a student may want to create an itinerary of what they're going to participate in by college. Each college will be offering the following. They will have live and interactive Zoom sessions. Those sessions might be on how to apply, financial aid, student life, and so much more. Colleges will also be able to post videos that students can watch at their leisure. And students can also schedule one-on-one meetings with admissions representatives during the fair. To do that, they must select a specific day and time for these one-on-one meetings. Finally, colleges will offer Q&A sessions where students can pop in, ask a quick question, and pop out so they can get to another college. So there's a lot that the students will be able to participate with during the day of the fair. So creating an itinerary will help them navigate the fair and get to as many colleges as possible. This is why having family members helping might not be a bad idea. I'm sure they'd love to assist. Now, for students who don't know where to start, don't worry, there's plenty of resources. Each fair will offer NACAC Meet-Ups, where there'll be information in English and Spanish on how the student can best find their college fit, pay for college, and so much more. Plus, there'll be chat sessions available with college counseling experts so that students can ask those questions for where to get started and somebody can assist them. During the fair, I also recommend that students explore, that they think outside the box and perhaps look at schools that they might not have originally been considering. They should find that diamond in the rough. Don't be turned off by the school colors or the school mascot, or perhaps that you're worried that you won't be able to pronounce the name of the school. That might be your best fit school. So take advantage and explore. Think outside the box and see what all these colleges have to offer. When connecting with the colleges, please turn on your camera. Let us get to know you. The best way to do that is to be able to see you face to face. But let's make a good first impression and have an appropriate background, make certain your appearance is neat and tidy. And ask questions. Please ask questions. We're here to help, and we want to be able to answer whatever questions that you may have. So don't be afraid to ask. That's what we're here for. Finally, take notes. Make certain that you can take down all the information that each college is providing so that after the fair, you have the opportunity to digest that information and start to make your college list. All schools are going to start to sound alike and might start to blur together. So I recommend that students create perhaps a spreadsheet where they can keep track of all the important information that they want to know about a college in one place. And this way they can refer to it later when the fair is over. But definitely taking notes up front will help keep each school separate as you continue through the fair process. Finally, after the fair, I recommend that you follow up. Show that interest in the schools that you connected with and build relationships with the counselors that you might have met. This will give you the chance to ask more questions, demonstrate your interest, and continue to build a relationship with the person that's probably going to be reading your application if you choose to apply. Again, the colleges are here to help the students, so making certain that we can connect together will only make the process a lot easier. I also recommend that students repeat the experience. There are 4 college fairs this fall, so definitely feel free to attend more than one so that you can have a full and excellent college search process by connecting with as many schools as possible. Finally, as opportunities arise, visit. Take advantage of all the information that you've secured from the college and then put it into action. That visit might be in person, that visit might be virtual, but take advantage of getting to know more about the school. And then once all is said and done, I recommend that the student apply to the schools that they have found that fit them best. They'll have the perfect contact from the college fair as to how to ask the questions on how to apply, so they should take advantage of, again, working with that relationship and that admissions representative. I thank you for attending and hope that this information has been helpful. If I can provide any additional help to you and your students, please don't hesitate to contact me. And I look forward to seeing your students at the fairs this fall.